Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. You might be wondering why this is not matched up to my voice. It's shot in slow-mo because your boy messed the camera settings up. So here's some dialogue for the first portion of this video. Here's us at Cabela's getting some range day stuff for our guns and targets. Here's a turkey that we're excited to shoot. Here's me getting some ammo and talking to the employee about my camera setup. Here's some us picking out targets. Here's me showing you guys a stand that we're going to use. And here's me introducing Ben to the best breakfast sandwich on the planet. And here's me actually talking to the camera, walking down the lane and telling you guys that we're going to set up at 50 yards. So without further ado, welcome back to regularly scheduled programming.
All right. Well, we made a crucial mistake by hitting the slow motion button. So we're restarting, but we're at the shooting range. We got the AR, we got the 308, the 30-06, and what's your other one?
30-30.
30-30. We got our targets out there. We got one at 50 and 75, and we're going to see what happens. I took a couple shots with the AR. It hasn't been sighted in, and the last one I just took dead center. So, yeah, we're setting up the cameras now, and we're going to get after it. Hold that up.
It's been a while. It's been a while. Kind of nervous.
All right, I'm shooting 75 yards to start. That might be a little overkill for me. Here, safety first. Put some glasses on. One. I wonder how many this holds.
Probably like 7.
Not terrible. I can't even see that. So I'm a little high left. Not bad, not bad.
All right.
Ready?
Oh, dude, this thing's money.
Huh?
This thing's money.
They're old guns, man. I'm taller than Nate. I almost need the double pad here. There we go. Shot a little high. All right, shoots pretty good.
Since we didn't get any of this on film, they just called a ceasefire and we're gonna go check out how we did. The AR that I was shooting is pretty clean, pretty smooth.
Yeah.
The 30-30 packs a little punch, but it's aiming a little high, and I gotta adjust the sights on that if I can. So
Yeah, that AR was clean, man.
yeah.
It's fun shooting that. I should have brought more rounds.
So we're also gonna set up a target at 100 and check the one at 50. So we'll probably do the 30-06 at 75 and 100, and probably the AR. The AR reach that far as well. Yeah, not bad.
I want to see if this bad boy can hit 100.
The 100?
No, this one.
Okay, send it.
Dude, that's money at 100 yards.
That's it?
Yeah, dude, that's crazy. You want to shoot it?
I'll shoot here in a little bit on that one.
All right. I'm gonna shoot the rest of this clip.
Yeah. Sheesh.
Yeah, tell it over. Are you shooting both these boxes?
Yeah, some of them too.
Huh?
You can shoot some. So I need to go down, right? Trying to get this thing dialed in. We did 4 clicks down, and that's kind of getting us on point that where we need to be. My arm's getting kind of sore, so I gave Ben the controls.
It packs a punch. Should have bought the gun mount thing.
There was a gun mount at Cabela's, and it had the shoulder saber on it, and I was like, well, that's not realistic, but I guess it's not really realistic that we'd be shooting this many times at something. So maybe I should have bought it.
Saved our shoulders for sure. Alright, got 5 in there. Let's see what we can do. It's shooting like right there, man.
On the money?
Yeah. It's still a little to the left, but shoot this bad boy.
What is that?
308.
Oh, let's go.
Y'all ready for a ceasefire? Yeah.
The next gun I'm gonna bust out is the 30-06, and I'm a little scared to shoot it. Massive. These things are massive.
Good luck.
Golly, bullseye, baby.
Done. That's all you need.
That's all I got in me. That's all I got, boys. I wasn't a bad shot for being the first one. Being a little nervous. That does hurt. Dude, this thing.
Packs a punch, man.
This thing is pretty true. Ben's gonna get a try.
Alright, let's see what we can do here.
You got a racket too, just remember.
Oh boy. I don't know if my shoulder can take another bullet to the... Oh man, this is a different kind of sight.
I know, it's kind of cool.
It's like old school, man. A little high. I was a little nervous, so. That wasn't as bad as the 308.
Really?
Oh! I spoke too soon. Alright. Dude, that shoots clean.
Mm-hmm.
The lever action is shooting clean, true, and straight.
75 yards. Let's see how true it shoots at 100. So I think we only got a couple more left in us. We're done because our shoulders are killing us. And I'm gonna try this 30-06 again at 100 yards on the clean slate just to see how accurate I am and how accurate the gun is. So. I think that was spot on.
Right right next to it.
Really?
We're touching it.
Jeez. Oh man, this hurts.
Hold on a second.
This hurts.
Hold on a second.
I'm holding. Tell me when. I'm in pain. Accurate. This is accurate.
All right, it's the last round. We're shooting at 100 yards with the AR. It's about all my shoulder can take for today. Probably should load it. All she wrote. We're gonna wrap it up here. It's been a fun morning. Got some food, got to hang out, got to shoot some guns. Now we're gonna pack up and head home.